In 2023, Canva released a feature called Live Embed. It allows you to embed Canva content on your website. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. Okay, so here it is. This is my blank page, and I'm going to do this very quick. Simply just going to just grab this element, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll just call this presentation. I'll delete this and I'll click on watch. Okay. Now, in order to embed Canva content, it's very simple. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and here's an element called container. I'm simply going to drag and drop at the bottom. Okay. Then I am going to search for another element called HTML. And once again, drag and drop at the bottom. Don't worry, we will not be doing any coding. Okay. Now, this is my Canva account right here. And I'm going to click on share. And then over here, it says live embed. And I'll show you why they call it live embed. Okay. I'm going to click on this button. And right here where it says HTML embed code, I'm simply going to click on copy. And then I'm going to paste it right here. And as you can see, I now have my Canva content on my website. Now, if you notice at the bottom, it says a track tutorial by Vic. If you don't like that, it's a matter of preference. We can simply delete it. Okay, that's it. And then we'll click on save. Let's go to our front page, contentdemos.com. And there we go. We have our Canva content, okay? Now, let me show you something very cool. Let's assume, in fact, this is the reason why they call it live embed is what I'm going to show you. Let's assume you are making changes to your Canva account, okay? Why don't we just do this right now? I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this page. And let's just, why don't we just delete this? Okay, let's assume, well, actually, why don't we just call this video, okay? Let's say you're making changes, and I'll just paste a YouTube link. I'll copy it, and I'll paste my YouTube link. Okay, now we have ourselves a video on our presentation. Okay, now, we don't have to worry about embedding the code again or making any changes because the reason they call it live embed because the changes are made automatically. So the next time when you go to your website, and let's do this, and I'll refresh the page, and let's go at the bottom. Okay, so we have ourselves a content now. We also made changes, right? So let's see, and there we go. Okay, as you can see, it automatically updated our website, and this is the reason they call it live embed. Anytime you make changes, it will automatically change it on your website. Now, sometimes it does take 2 to 3 minutes, but most of the time it is instant, and this is how you embed Canva content on your website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my other videos. Take care.